Happy Thursday! Hope you're having a great day today. Nice and warm outside. Temperatures near 80 degrees in places that have not seen rain yet, although there is some rain moving in across parts of the area. And I will get to radar momentarily as people continue to join the conversation, and I'll break down your Mother's Day weekend for you, let you know the best times to get outside, do some fun stuff with mom, take care of her this weekend. Hello, Patsy from Brookline. My mother-in-law joining in right now. Dee, yes, I see it is raining in Indiana. My mother is now watching, as she does every day. Dunbar checking in, appreciate it. Swissville, Dolores, how you doing? Lisa in Latrobe, yes, I'm aware it poured in Latrobe. You're in a little bit of a donut hole right now. Apollo in the house. Monroeville, Murraysville, it is raining right now. Thank you. We're going to break down, as I said, the radar for everyone momentarily. I'll show you where it's raining, where it's not raining, and where it likely will be raining very soon. Before we get to the weather information today, I want to quickly show you the homepage, PittsburghWeatherNow.com. You can see right there on the homepage, we have our weather fun fact of the day, talking about the longest tornado path on record. It's a very interesting fun fact that you should check out. It's rather eye-popping how long this tornado was on the ground. Hello there, Mr. Hulk. Hulk smash! And also we have our golf forecast for the upcoming weekend on the homepage as well. You're going to want to check that out, not only if you like to get out on the course, but also there's a great golf special there. So maybe your mom likes to golf. There's an awesome golf special that you can take advantage of this weekend, so please check that out as well. The allergy report today. Just when you thought it was safe to kind of get your car washed because you get all the pollen off, then we have a couple of days like this. It's been dry for the better part of this week, so a lot of stuff has been pollinating. And once again today, the allergy report has tree pollens in the high range, grasses in a moderate range, and weeds and molds are still coming in low, but there's still an awful lot of airborne allergens out there. Some of the rain that is coming down will help to knock those levels down and kind of clean out the air of some of those allergens that are building up over the course of this week. Very quickly, let us get to our birthdays for today. Candace Bergen, the actress, otherwise known as Murphy Brown, she celebrates a birthday today. Rosaria Dawson, the actress, celebrates a birthday today. From Fox News, Dana Perino, also from Fox News, one of the weather forecasters there. Janice Dean has a birthday today. Mike Wallace of 60 Minutes fame, rest in peace, he celebrated his birthday on this date. Athletes, Tony Gwynn, the baseball player, and Stevie Yzerman, Stevie Y, from all his years with the Detroit Red Wings, also celebrate birthdays today. And one guy I'm sure you know, William Joel, Billy Joel, he celebrates his birthday today. Today is National Sleepover Day, for what that's worth, and I hope my wife is watching this. If she's not, she will. Today is National Lost Sock Memorial Day, which means all those socks that go into the washer and come out of the dryer, they go in as pairs and they come out as one. So you only have one sock. Today's a day to memorialize the friends we've lost, the socks that have never re-emerged from the washing system. So today is National Lost Sock Memorial Day. Rest in peace, my friend. He's missing a friend. There you go. All right. Also, one other thing before we move on, I did send a message out to the folks at Pittsburgh Magazine and asked them about when they would be releasing those Best of the Berg results. I was told that they would be made public on June the 14th. So we have about another month. We had all that time to vote. Now we have all this time to wonder, but they gave me no indication as to what the results were, but all they said was that June 14th, the results will be available online, and the actual magazine with the results will be available at the end of June. So there you go. That is your answer for all of you that have been asking that question. All right, let us take a look at what is going on right now. First, we will start with current temperature right now. 80 degrees, mostly cloudy sky. South wind at 15, barometric pressure 29.96. That is falling as the next system was moving in. The barometric pressure is going down. Hello to my fine friends at Chick-fil-A in Robinson, exclusive sponsor of WhiteBoard weather. All right, let us get over to radar right now. Here's the latest weather information, at least radar information. You can see we're seeing scattered showers across the area. They are most prominent and most numerous for areas east. So you can see right along the Mon River, right along the Fayette-Greene County line, there's an area of rain. That's going to be moving into the Uniontown, Brownsville, also California area very soon. Monessen going to see another push of some rain coming through. That line runs right up between Allegheny and Westmoreland County. So Delmont Export we'll be seeing a push of some heavier rain. You can see some of those deeper shades of orange indicating heavier downpours. They extend on up towards, say, Leechburg and Vandergrift right now. And then further north up into Armstrong County, you can see an area of heavier rain in through eastern Armstrong County, pushing up just north of Indiana. So that'd be up towards, say, Marion Center and Punxsutawney. Now, a quick look back across Lawrence County. You can see some rain shifting north of Newcastle right now. And then things just become real hit and miss back across parts of Ohio, but there is more rain back near the Cleveland area. You can see it right up here near the top of the screen. So we're going to see scattered, keyword being scattered showers the rest of this afternoon, and I do think showers will become more numerous later this evening and overnight tonight. That said, I think everyone is eventually going to see some rain, but some areas are going to see more than others. And this is what's called the excessive rain potential. And you can see this pink area or this yellow area that indicates slight risk. That runs across Ohio and up in through northwestern Pennsylvania. So that means rain totals will likely be higher in that yellow shaded area. So as you get up, say, Newcastle, Butler, north of there, up into parts of Venango, Mercer County, even Clarion County, your risk to see more rain is going to be better than everyone else in western Pennsylvania. And what are we talking about? It looks like in those areas that I just highlighted to the north, I think the potential is going to be there to probably pick up on the order of at least an inch of rain in some areas, which could cause some minor flash flooding concerns, especially in low-lying and poor drainage areas. So heads up if you live close to a stream or creek in those areas that I mentioned north of Newcastle, Butler, and Katanning. That's where the rain totals are likely going to be the highest moving forward this evening, tonight, and even as we head through the day tomorrow. All right, let's head to the weather maps right now. Warm front has come through the area. It's a pretty good breeze coming in out of the south at about 15 miles an hour, so it's breezy and it's warm. Temperatures have pushed near 80 in places that it hasn't rained. If rain has come down, it's likely knocked your temperature down a good 10 degrees. You're probably closer to 70 degrees. Cold front is still back here across parts of Indiana. That is slowly going to move toward the area tonight as we move ahead to tomorrow morning. This is about 7 a.m. You can see the cold front gets closer, and there still is decent moisture across the area. I think we will see lulls in the rain tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be an all-day rain, but we'll probably see a couple of waves of scattered showers coming through in the morning, probably a mid-morning break, and then with the front coming through in the afternoon. As we head toward evening, this is the evening picture right here. You can see the front well off to the east, and you can see the rain ending by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night as high pressure builds in. And looking ahead to the weekend, this is Saturday. Our fair weather friend, high pressure in control, suppressing the moisture down to the south. So Saturday is going to be a nice day, albeit a cool day. Behind that front, temperatures are likely going to stay in the 60s over the weekend. Now let's move ahead to Mother's Day. Quickly want to show you this. This is first thing on Sunday. You can see it is quiet here in western PA, probably cloudy, but no rain first thing in the morning. However, as we head into the afternoon, we'll move ahead 6 hours. This is going to be around 1 o'clock in the afternoon right here. And you can see a weak area of low pressure develops. Showers fill in across the area. So Mother's Day in the afternoon, expect to see some occasional rain showers developing. But again, I think it's going to be dry in the morning, and then showers will develop by late morning and the early part of the afternoon. So that is your weather map break. Now we need to get to your whiteboard weather breakdown. We head over to the whiteboard and get all the particulars. Chick-fil-A Robinson, hashtag Eat More Chicken, the exclusive sponsor of Whiteboard Weather. Pay him a visit there in the Robinson, North Fayette area. Sunset tonight at 8:23. Moon phase still is waxing crescent. Rain totals through about 4 o'clock tomorrow, so 24 hours. As I mentioned near the top, locally, I think we are in 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, but those areas north will likely get more in the way of rain. And we're talking about north of Newcastle, Butler, and Katanning, 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches. And if some of that comes in a short period of time, there will be some flash flooding concerns, especially along streams and creeks, low-lying and poor drainage areas. So heads up for those areas to the north. A cooler overall temperature trend the next 7 days, and something I've been tracking here are Fridays. Tomorrow will mark our 6th straight Friday that we've had some rain. We are on quite a run with regards to our Fridays and rain. And also, heads up, cicadas are coming soon. All right, let us get to the forecast tonight. Breezy and warm. 63 will be the low temperature. Scattered showers. Can't rule out an isolated rumble of thunder. I think it's mostly showers. And there could be some heavier downpours, especially in those areas north that I mentioned. Tomorrow, 72, breezy, scattered showers, maybe an afternoon thunderstorm as that cold front pushes through the area in the early to middle part of the afternoon. And then I think the rain shower threat tapers off later in the day tomorrow. So tomorrow night, showers are out, turning cooler though, 46 degrees behind that cool front. On Saturday, this is the best weekend day, partly sunny, 64 degrees, so it will be cooler on Mother's Day Sunday, 63. Morning clouds, and then showers develop by midday and through the afternoon, so probably a rainier setup Sunday afternoon. On Monday, morning clouds give way to afternoon sunshine. As I mentioned, a cooler overall setup the next 7 days, 62 Monday, Tuesday partly cloudy, and a high temperature of 64 degrees. Again, average highs run near 70 degrees, so after tomorrow, we'll probably be running at least a few degrees below average through the middle part of next week. So that's the cooler trend. The good news is it did look like long range, say the 14-day trend, did look like precipitation was going to start averaging a little bit lower than average. So maybe after we get out of this current pattern we've been in tonight, tomorrow, and then again on Sunday, the hope is after that we'll probably start to get less frequent rainfall. Fingers crossed, hopefully that works out and comes to fruition, but just an FYI. All right, that will do it for today. As always, please share Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. Spread the word on the street. We want to continue to grow our reach. If you missed any part of this, I will post it immediately after we're done so you can go back and re-watch it. Again, there'll be scattered showers, even a few rumbles of thunder crossing the area late this afternoon. A lot of that has shifted east of Pittsburgh right now. And then there is going to be a heavier rain potential, keyword being potential, specifically north later this evening and tonight, where there could be some isolated flash flooding issues, something to watch for in areas north of Newcastle, Butler, and Katanning. All right, that is going to wrap it for today. Have yourself a great rest of this Thursday. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you too, Gene. Appreciate it. Christina, you're welcome for the forecast. Stay dry, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Don't forget to check out PittsburghWeatherNow.com for some fun facts and a cool golf special for this upcoming weekend, Mother's Day weekend. And also, big thanks again to my fine friends at Chick-fil-A in Robinson. There you see them. Pay them a visit. Exclusive sponsors of Whiteboard Weather. All right, that's going to do it. Have yourself a great rest of this Thursday. I will talk to you mañana. See ya.